Welcome to the show, everybody. Today we're diving into the hidden tech behind modern warfare. From AI-powered drones to hypersonic missiles and robotic soldiers, military technology is evolving faster than ever. It's like we're on the cusp of a whole new era of warfare, and most people don't even realize it. In this video, we'll break down the cutting-edge innovations reshaping the battlefield. We'll learn how countries like the US, China, and Russia are racing to develop next-gen weapons. Trust me, folks, this is some seriously wild stuff. Let's get started. All right, let's talk drones. We all know about Predator drones, right? Big, scary things, remotely controlled, dropping bombs. But what we're seeing now is next-level stuff. We're talking about AI-powered drones, autonomous killing machines that can make decisions on their own. Imagine a swarm of these things, hundreds of them, controlled by an algorithm, able to identify and eliminate targets with pinpoint accuracy. It sounds like something out of Terminator, right? But it's real, and it's happening right now. These AI-powered drones are also changing the game when it comes to surveillance. With advanced sensors and facial recognition technology, they can track individuals, monitor entire cities, and gather intelligence on a scale we've never seen before. As AI technology continues to advance, these drones are only going to get smarter, faster, and more deadly. We're talking about a fundamental shift in the way wars are fought, and the ethical implications are huge. It's important to understand what's happening and to start thinking about the consequences. Okay, let's talk about speed. I'm talking about hypersonic missiles, weapons that travel at 5 times the speed of sound or even faster. We're talking Mach 5, Mach 6, even Mach 7. That's so fast it's practically impossible to detect, let alone intercept. Imagine a missile that can travel from New York to Los Angeles in less than an hour. It's game-changing technology, and it has the potential to completely upend the balance of power on a global scale. The thing about hypersonic missiles is that they render traditional defense systems practically obsolete. By the time our radar systems even detect them, it's already too late. This means that countries with hypersonic capabilities have a serious strategic advantage. They can strike anywhere in the world with incredible speed and precision, and there's very little anyone can do to stop them. We're talking about a potential arms race here, with countries like the US, China, and Russia all vying for hypersonic supremacy. Whoever controls this technology has the potential to control the future of warfare. It's a sobering thought, but it's important to be aware of what's happening and to understand the implications. All right, this is where things get really wild. We're talking about robotic soldiers, machines designed to replace humans on the battlefield. And I'm not just talking about drones here, I'm talking about actual robots, walking, talking, shooting machines. Imagine a robot that looks and moves just like a human, armed to the teeth with advanced weaponry, capable of making life or death decisions on its own. Proponents of this technology will tell you that robotic soldiers are the future of warfare. They'll argue that robots don't experience fear, fatigue, or emotion, making them ideal for combat situations. But what happens when these machines malfunction? What happens when they're hacked? What happens when they start making mistakes, and who's held accountable? We're talking about a fundamental shift in the nature of warfare, a dehumanization of the battlefield that raises some serious ethical concerns. The technology is here, and it's only a matter of time before we see robotic soldiers deployed on battlefields around the world. Chapter 4, Cyber Warfare, the Invisible Battlefield. We've talked about drones, missiles, and robots. But there's another battlefield emerging, one that's invisible to the naked eye, cyber warfare. This is the war that's happening right now as we speak, in the digital realm. We're talking about hackers, viruses, malware, and disinformation campaigns. Think about it, our entire infrastructure, our power grids, our financial systems, our communication networks. It's all connected to the internet, and that makes it vulnerable to attack. A well-coordinated cyber attack could cripple a nation's infrastructure, disrupt its economy, and sow chaos and confusion among its citizens. And the scary part is that it's often difficult to even know who's behind these attacks. It's a whole new kind of warfare, one that's constantly evolving and incredibly difficult to defend against. The future of warfare is digital, and it's happening whether we're ready for it or not. Chapter 5. Directed energy weapons, harnessing the power of light and sound. All right, let's get into some real science fiction stuff. We're talking about directed energy weapons, things like lasers and high-powered microwaves. These weapons are capable of delivering massive amounts of energy at the speed of light, and they have the potential to revolutionize warfare. Imagine a weapon that can take out a drone, disable a missile, or even neutralize an entire enemy force without firing a single bullet. The US military, for example, has developed a laser weapon system that can shoot down drones and missiles. And they're working on even more powerful systems that could be used against a wider range of targets. Then you've got high-powered microwaves, which can disrupt electronic systems, fry circuits, and even disable vehicles. Imagine a weapon that can disable an entire tank with a burst of electromagnetic energy. Now, there are still some technical challenges to overcome before these weapons become commonplace on the battlefield. But make no mistake, directed energy weapons are the future of warfare. It's mind-blowing stuff, and it's changing the face of warfare as we know it. Chapter 6. Autonomous submarines, the silent arms race under the waves. We've talked about the skies and the land, but what about the oceans? There's a whole other battlefield down there, and it's just as important as any other. We're talking about autonomous submarines, underwater drones that can operate independently for months at a time. These things are like underwater robots, packed with sensors, sonar, and even torpedoes. They can patrol vast areas of the ocean, gather intelligence, and even launch attacks without any human intervention. The oceans are the lifeblood of the global economy, and whoever controls the oceans controls the future. Autonomous submarines are a key part of that equation. They give nations the ability to project power across vast distances, conduct surveillance, and even launch attacks without ever putting a single sailor at risk. The future of warfare is happening beneath the waves, and it's just as important as anything that's happening on land or in the air. Chapter 7. Stealth Technology, the Art of Disappearing. Now let's talk about stealth technology, the art of making things invisible to radar. We're talking about aircraft, ships, and even missiles that are designed to evade detection by enemy radar systems. Think about the F-35 fighter jet, for example. This thing is like a flying ninja with a shape that deflects radar waves and special materials that absorb radar signals. It's incredibly difficult to detect on radar, which gives it a huge advantage in combat. And it's not just aircraft. We're also seeing stealth technology being used in ships, submarines, and even missiles. The goal is always the same: to make these weapon systems as invisible as possible, giving them the element of surprise and making them much more difficult to defend against. Stealth technology is a constant cat and mouse game. It's a vital part of modern warfare, and it's only going to become more important in the years to come. The future of war, a call to awareness. Well, folks, there you have it. We've just scratched the surface of the hidden tech behind modern warfare. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next exploration of the cutting-edge tech that's shaping our world. We'll see you then.